Okay, so I know we can't be the only ones that this happens to. If you've ever had your pillows, phones, remotes, or even your sanity disappear into that annoying gap between the mattress and the headboard, this is one of those products that you're going to say, why didn't I buy this sooner? We are going to go ahead and add the SimpleDad King Size Pillow Wedge Pillow while fixing up our bedroom. And you're going to see how this just solves that problem instantly. That gap between the mattress and headboard might not seem like a big deal until your pillows are falling through every night, your phone slides down there while you're sleeping, sheets bunch up and never lay right, or you wake up constantly adjusting everything. It's uncomfortable and surprisingly disruptive to your sleep. So we need to fix that. Let's go ahead and do this. This wedge pillow is designed to fill gaps from 0 to 8 inches, and it slides right into place between your mattress and headboard. Once it's in, that space is completely gone. No tools, no adjustments, no frustration. Look how easy this is. All I had to do is unroll it, you guys. This is how simple it is. What impressed me most is that it doesn't feel awkward or bulky. That ergonomic wedge shape supports your pillows instead of pushing them forward, so everything stays neatly in place. It's soft but supportive foam. It's got the breathable cover that doesn't trap heat. It's got the non-slip bottom so it stays put. And it's long enough to span with the width of a king-size bed. It honestly just blends in once it's installed. You forget it's there until you realize nothing is falling through anymore. This small change made a huge difference. Pillows stay upright all night, no more waking up to fix the bed, sheets stay smooth. Sleeping just feels more supported and comfortable. It creates a cleaner, more finished look to the bed and improves sleep at the same time. That is amazing to me. So if you want to stop your pillows, remotes, and phones from falling in, I highly recommend it.